Today we are joined by Joseph Mastrocola of W.P. Carey to discuss one type of value-extracting lever for private equity firms in the middle market, sale-leasebacks. Joe, for what purpose do private equity firms and portfolio companies use the capital provided by sale-leaseback transactions?
So the proceeds for a sale-leaseback can be used in a number of ways. Firstly, a lot of times the money is used to pay down existing debt, which provides the portfolio company balance sheet flexibility. Also, the money can be reinvested back into the company's operations, which hopefully should have a higher return potential than the cost of the sale-leaseback. The financing could also be used for add-on acquisitions for an existing portfolio company, and in which case we could buy real estate that that company already owns, or we could provide financing for owned real estate for the target company. Sale-leaseback proceeds could also be used to return capital to shareholders in the form of a dividend, or to expand existing facilities or help a company acquire new ones.
So are sale-leasebacks only executed at the outset of a private equity deal?
No, sale-leasebacks can be executed at any point in the life cycle of the company. So at the outset, sure, we can provide acquisition financing. If a private equity firm is looking to buy a business, we can provide a staple financing in that kind of a situation. Anytime after a private equity firm buys a business, we could certainly help them monetize owned real estate on that company's balance sheet, or like I mentioned before, if they're going to buy another business, we could provide financing on that target company's owned real estate. And then we can also help our tenants grow their business. Built-to-suit financing is a pretty big part of what we do, and that would be relevant if a portfolio company wants to, say, expand an existing facility or build another one, at which point W.P. Carey would partner with the developer, provide all the financing for the construction, and then upon completion, we'd own the building and have a long-term lease with that company.
Great picture you've painted, Joe. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.